So basically I want to show you what I do before trading the market. Okay, it's morning, like it's 8:17 a.m. So basically first I do is what, clear all the charts. Okay, so basically I have this charts, so I will first clear it. Okay, now as you see my chart is clear. Then I go to daily buyers. I mark previous day high and previous day low. So it's previous day high, that's previous day low. Okay, I will just, it's a previous day high, previous day low. Okay, now I will mark the opening price, today opening price. So basically if you see it's a gap up, then sorry, it's price open in between, so it's a open price, so I will give it as day open, du. Okay, now I will shift to the 15-minute time frame. Then I will check for yesterday's sessions. There is a Lux Algo indicator which shows me my sessions. Not okay. Now if you see this here 4559, it's a New York high for me, so I will just get it right here, NY high. Then we got our NY low, which is on previous day low only. NY low here. NY and London both are crossing. Okay. NY low and London low. Okay. Now this is our London high, which I don't think actually we need, but because its liquidity has been swept, so let it be. Then I use a FRBP. So this is the lowest point and this is the highest point till now we have. Then we got this range, which is VAH, and this is VAL, and this is POC. Okay, we got our POC, we got our VAH, VAL, and we got our VAH, where it is. Okay, now I will remove this. What did I just did? Okay, I just removed this. Now we got our range. So first, if you see, price pulls back and on the VH it's trying to act. Okay, if this act here, so we can see a buyer's momentum on a buyer side, or if it's break, then we can see it's come near this pocket, and or you can see near VH. Now what I told you, first see, we have one liquidity here on the NY high, then we have multiples liquidity on this previous day low, NY high, NY low and NY London low. Then there is one more thing, which you can just assume. It's a, if you see, it's a buying, and few people think it's a fair value gap. So it's a failure of fair value gap. Okay, it's a failure of fair value gap. So if you see, we will act as another fair value gap here, and we can just could have taken this trade right here 1:2. Okay, we could have taken this trade. Now if you see, if like this candle has been closed, we can just take one trade here, which we can have a long trade, I guess, and only this small SL, and we can target up to day open or this level, so 1.89, we can just get it right from there. So act according to the demand of market, not according to you, what you wanted to sell. So if this is going downtrends, okay, so I could have sell easily. Okay, of this candle SL. We could have enter like here. We could have enter on this candle right here, and we could have SL of this candle, and we could have targeted like 270 pip and something up to BH. But I don't think that could work on my favor because we have a very big candle, and if I have to come follow through, so it could have came follow through. But if we are seeing some buys here, we have VH support also, then we have all the liquidity is here. Okay, this NY high liquidity, and we haven't taken this liquidity because it's multiple liquidities. We have VL support, then we have POC, then we have NY low, we have previous day low, we have London low. So it will take a lot to take that liquidity. So once this liquidity will be swept, it could easily come down and take multiple round of liquidities. So that's what I try to do daily. Play around the circumstances of market, not what I am just saying. I just play on a probability. So what probability I will get?